Today's 5 minutes are all about grounding your body and activating your core. We're keeping it simple, yet powerful. Ideal for mornings, post-workout cool-downs, or even a quick reset during the day. You won't need anything except a mat or soft surface and enough space to stretch. We're targeting key areas to improve stability, increase flexibility. I promise you, this will give you a dose of energy to take on your day. Let's hit the mat. Imagine releasing every ounce of tension in your back and shoulders, like waves flowing in and out. This dynamic stretch is where it all begins. Start on all fours. Sit your hips back into child's pose, knees wide, toes touching, and arms reaching forward. Inhale deeply, letting your forehead rest on the mat. Feel your body grounding itself. As you exhale, glide forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the mat. Press into your palms and lift your chest. Feel your back stretch and your chest open up. Let this movement flow back and forth at your own pace. This movement improves spinal flexibility, opens up the chest, and relieves tension in the lower back. It's perfect for anyone who spends too much time sitting or hunched over. If you're a beginner, you can keep your elbows bent in cobra for a gentler stretch. If you're working your way up to be advanced, you can lift your chest higher and tilt your chin upward to deepen the stretch. As you glide back into child's pose one final time, prepare to fire up your core with the next move. Let's get your core switched on. This stretch builds stability and balance, setting the tone for the rest of the routine. Stay on all fours, extend your right arm forward, and your left leg straight back, creating a long straight line. Inhale as you reach, and exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. Move with control, feeling your core engage and your spine lengthen. Switch sides. Left arm forward, right leg back. Inhale to stretch. Exhale to crunch. Keep your movement steady and precise. This movement strengthens your core, improves coordination, and enhances your balance. It's a full body activator in one move. If you're a beginner, keep your back leg on the ground and focus only on extending your arm forward. If this is too easy for you, hold the extended position for a few extra seconds to challenge your stability. Lower back to all fours and get ready to wake up your glutes and hips with the next stretch. Now, it's time to target those glutes and hips. Think of this as unlocking the powerhouses of your lower body. On all fours, lift your right knee out to the side, like you're opening a door. Keep your movement controlled and lower back down. It's not about height, it's about precision and control. Switch sides. Left knee up and out, then back down. Stay steady and focus on activating those glutes with each lift. This move strengthens your hips, engages your glutes, and improves your lower body stability. All essential for better movement and posture. If this is too difficult for you, reduce the range of motion by lifting your knee slightly. On the other hand, if it's too easy, you can add a resistance band around your thighs for more challenge. Now shake off your legs and flip over on your back for the next exercise. Let's build that foundation of strength, one lift at a time. This is where your lower body takes the spotlight. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the mat. Hip width apart. Press through your heels to lift your hips toward the sky, squeezing your glutes at the top. Slowly lower back down, keeping control the entire time. Keep lifting and lowering at your own pace. Each squeeze at the top is a step toward a stronger, more stable core and lower body. This move strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while improving hip mobility and posture. If this is challenging, lift your hips halfway up for a gentler stretch. But if it's too easy, hold the top position for 3 to 5 seconds before lowering. Your glutes are going to be fired up by the end of the session. Now lower down gently and come to a seated or standing position for the final stretch. This finish strong by releasing tension from the shoulders. This is your reset button for an open, relaxed upper body. Take your right arm across your chest and use your left hand to gently pull it in closer. Keep your shoulders down and your posture tall as you hold the stretch. Switch sides. Left arm across your chest, gently pulling with your right hand. Feel the release across your shoulder and upper back. The stretch reduces tension in your shoulders and upper back, improving posture and relieving stiffness. If it's too difficult, hold the stretch lightly and reduce the pull. If it's too easy, you need a deeper stretch, add a gentle wrist circle while holding the stretch for a deeper release. Now lower your arms and shake them out. Feeling the difference yet? Well, let's seal this session with a final thought. In just 5 minutes, you've grounded yourself, activated your core, and loosened up your body for the day ahead. Smash that subscribe button if you're loving these quick routines, and check out the link in the description for a free customizable fitness program. It's packed with everything you need to stay strong, flexible, and energized. Keep moving, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!